inside.
Itan yung head, ha?
Sige, pasok.
Okay, sige. Move. Dahan-dahan.
Yung head.
Di magkakasya ata eh. Ayun.
Okay.
Go, Itan.
Can you get the... Ito. You use this, oh. You sungkiting the key. With yellow balls, ha? Sige, you push. Diyan sa ibaba. Yung ibaba, itulak mo yung ibaba. Yan, yung bola. Yan.
Push it hard.
Push it
Yo,
down.
you push it
Push
upward.
mo pa. Sige pa.
Be, look at me, Be.
Yan, that's right. That's right.
Lapit na, Itan.
Paano pag malaki na si Ethan, di wala na tayong tagasunod.
Chicken
Angat mo yung i-adjust mo yung hawak mo sa sungkit. Hawak, baba
Hindi
mo.
na natitindihan, Lolo. In Tagalog.
You adjust the...
Hindi alam ibig sabihin ng adjust.
Ha?
She's doing it daw, eh. Okay, push upward.
Itan!
Tutok mo lang doon sa balls. Sa ball. Tutok
Ball.
mo.
Sa ball.
Then you push it up. Yan, that's right. Okay.
Again.
You push. Up.
Yun,
Okay.
malapit na, go!
One more. Okay, sige.
Sige pa. Uy!
Habaan mo yung hawak mo sa sungkit. Okay.
Oh, very good.
Oh,
Okay.
come here!
Come here.
Huwag mo ihulog!
Okay, very good, boy.
Woo!
Okay, wait for me. I will open the door.